For years, the US has dominated the AI race, but that might be about to change. A Chinese AI model, DeepSeek AI, has just shaken the global tech industry, outperforming top American models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Llama while costing a fraction of the price to develop. This breakthrough has already sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley and even wiped out billions from the US stock market. Could this be the beginning of China's takeover in AI? How did DeepSeek rise so quickly, and why is it causing so much fear in the West? Watch this video till the end, because what you're about to learn might change the way you see the future of artificial intelligence forever. The world was not ready for what happened on January 20th, 2025. That was the day DeepSeek R1, an AI chatbot developed by a Chinese research lab, went public. Within hours, it became the most downloaded app in the US, surpassing ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and every other AI chatbot on the market. It wasn't just a viral sensation. DeepSeek had the numbers to back up the hype. Performance benchmarks showed that it outperformed OpenAI's latest ChatGPT 4.0 model, particularly in areas like math, coding, and logical reasoning. The most shocking part? DeepSeek was developed on a budget of just $5.6 million, compared to the billions spent by OpenAI, Meta, and Google to train their AI models. Despite the limited resources, DeepSeek was faster, smarter, and more efficient than many of its US counterparts. Investors panicked. Within a week of DeepSeek's release, it wiped over $1 trillion from the Nasdaq Tech Index. NVIDIA, the world's leading AI chip manufacturer, lost $589 billion in valuation in a single day. This was the biggest stock market drop in tech history. The reason? If DeepSeek could achieve such incredible AI performance without expensive computing hardware, then companies like OpenAI and Google, which rely on high-cost infrastructure, might be in trouble. DeepSeek wasn't just a new chatbot. It was proof that AI development was shifting towards cost efficiency and innovation over raw computing power. And the man behind it? He's just as mysterious as the AI itself. Meet Liang Wenfeng, the 40-year-old Chinese entrepreneur who built DeepSeek AI. Unlike Sam Altman, Elon Musk, or other high-profile tech leaders, Wenfeng is a shadowy figure who rarely appears in public. Very little is known about his background, but we do know that he founded High Flyer, a hedge fund, in 2015, using AI-powered financial models to make investment decisions. He later expanded his research into artificial intelligence, creating High Flyer AI in 2019. But the real breakthrough came in 2023 when Wenfeng decided to build an AI model that could surpass ChatGPT. Unlike OpenAI or Google, he didn't hire a massive team of engineers. Instead, he recruited PhD students from China's top universities, assembling a team of just 200 researchers, 95% of whom were under the age of 30. His approach was unconventional. Instead of following traditional AI training methods, DeepSeek's team focused on solving the hardest problems in AI research, like mathematical reasoning and logical deduction. After just 2 years of development, Wenfeng's team launched DeepSeek R1, and it immediately shook the AI industry. Unlike OpenAI, which operates with over 3,500 employees, Wenfeng's team did it with just 200 people. With minimal funding, minimal resources, and no support from major Chinese tech giants, Wenfeng and his team had disrupted the AI world. Now, the big question is, how did DeepSeek become so powerful with such little investment? DeepSeek AI isn't just another chatbot. It's one of the most advanced AI reasoning models ever created. Unlike traditional AI models, which generate answers based on probability, DeepSeek uses a chain of thought, COT reasoning process, to think step by step before responding. Let's compare it to OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0. If you ask ChatGPT 4.0 whether 9.11 is greater than 9.9, it quickly responds yes, which is wrong. But when you ask DeepSeek, it actually thinks through the problem, self-checks its reasoning, and provides the correct answer. 9.9 is greater. Why? Because DeepSeek is designed to analyze possible counter-arguments before finalizing an answer. This makes it far more accurate than previous AI models when dealing with complex logical and mathematical questions. Another major breakthrough is DeepSeek's mixture of experts model. Unlike ChatGPT, which uses one AI brain for everything, DeepSeek divides itself into multiple specialized AI models. If you ask a legal question, only the legal AI module activates. If you ask a medical question, only the medical AI responds. This reduces computational load, making DeepSeek more efficient, faster, and cost-effective than Western AI models. While OpenAI, Google, and Meta require billions in computing power to train their models, DeepSeek is built to operate on much lower costs, giving it a massive competitive advantage. But while DeepSeek is technologically advanced, there's one major controversy surrounding it: government censorship. DeepSeek may be powerful, but there's one major concern: its strict political censorship. If you ask DeepSeek about math, coding, or logical reasoning, it provides detailed step-by-step answers. But ask about controversial topics related to Chinese politics, and the chatbot shuts down completely. Try asking, what happened in Tiananmen Square in 1989? Is Taiwan an independent country? What are the biggest criticisms of Xi Jinping? DeepSeek's response: sorry, I am not sure how to approach this type of question. Let's talk about math, coding, or logic instead. This censorship isn't accidental. Chinese AI models are required to pass a strict government filter before being released to the public. The Cyberspace Administration of China ensures that AI chatbots avoid politically sensitive topics, preventing them from discussing issues like democracy, human rights, or Taiwan's independence. However, here's the twist: DeepSeek is open source. That means developers outside of China can download DeepSeek's entire code, remove its censorship filters, and modify the AI as they see fit. This is already happening. Companies like Microsoft and Perplexity AI have adopted DeepSeek, removed the government filters, and integrated it into their own AI platforms. This raises a serious global question: can an AI model built in China truly remain free of government influence once it spreads worldwide? DeepSeek is the most advanced open-source AI model ever created. Unlike OpenAI, which initially promised to be open source but later closed its technology, DeepSeek has made its entire AI framework freely available to the public. This means anyone can: 1. Download DeepSeek and run it on their own systems. 2. Modify the AI to remove censorship and biases. 3. Integrate DeepSeek into new AI applications without restrictions. The open-source nature of DeepSeek has massive implications. For one, Western companies are already adopting it. Microsoft and Perplexity AI have integrated DeepSeek R1 into their own systems, tweaking it for global users. This also puts OpenAI in an awkward position. Despite having open in its name, OpenAI has been criticized for keeping its models private and controlled. In contrast, DeepSeek is now the most freely available large-scale AI model on the planet. This leads to a bigger issue: is China now setting the global standard for AI transparency? Some argue that DeepSeek is proving that innovation doesn't need billion-dollar budgets. Others worry that China's AI rise is a long-term threat to Western dominance in tech. One thing is certain: DeepSeek has changed the game, and it's only a matter of time before more companies start using and improving on it. But as AI continues to evolve, the real battle is just beginning. Who will control the future of artificial intelligence, China or the US? DeepSeek AI has changed the game, showing that AI dominance isn't about money, but about efficiency and innovation. The question now is, will the US adapt, or will China take the lead in A? What do you think? Is DeepSeek the future, or is the hype overblown? Let us know in the comments. If you found this breakdown interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest AI breakthroughs. And if you want to learn more about AI's future, check out this next video. It's a must-watch. See you in the next one.